Hey, what is up, internet? All right, I'm back and we're ready to do some more math. All right, so I have this is for section A.CED.3 and F.LE.5. All right, so let's get right into it. So the question asks veterinary Gunter, or the question, the word problem. Sorry, I lost there. It says veterinarian Gunter has instructed Jonah to give his 600-pound alligator one 350 milligram aspirin tablet for arthritis. The amount of aspirin A remaining in the alligator's body after 15 minutes can be expressed by A equals 325 times 1 half to the power of T divided by 15. Find the time it takes for the amount of aspirin to drop below 50 milligrams. All right. So I'm gonna switch over to my. Oh, never mind. I'm already on it. Great. So let's write the equation out. So we have over here we got A. Oh, okay. All right. So A equals 325 divided by 1 half to the power of T divided by 15. Alright, so your A is going to be the 50 milligrams because that's the amount at time T. So you're going to, alright, so that's going to be 50 equals 325 times 1 half power of T divided by 15. Alright, so now you got here, you're going to want to divide by 325 to get T by itself. So you get 325 here, 325, oh goodness. Alright, so then you're going to have that. Let's drop this down. 50 divided by 325 equals oh my goodness. 1 half T times 15. Or sorry, divided by 15. Alright. So now you're gonna want to take the ln of both sides. So ln of 50 over 325, and then ln of 1 half power of T. So let's just rewrite that. So we got oh my gosh. Right. ln of 1 half to the power of T over 15. Alright, so we're trying to get T by itself. So we're gonna wanna, oh yeah, and also right now, we bring the T down here. Because that's one of the laws, you can do that. We got ln now, 50 over 325 equals T over 15 ln 1 half. Alright, now going to times by 15, just divide. So you're going to do the same on both sides. Times by 15. And then you're going to also, so now it's looking, well, now this over here looks like just, or T ln 1 half. So now you're going to want to divide by 1 half, or ln of 1 half. Do the same on this side. So it's going to be also divide by ln of 1 half. Alright, now get your calculator out.
and clear all that. Alright. Wait, how do you? Alright. Second. Good. Goodness. Alright. Second quit. Wait, how do you? Which one? How do you get rid of this thing?
The whole thing?
Just.
Clear. Push clear. Remember I told you have to like hit the, do it on here. Push clear with the button. There you go. Now you
There
can
we
type
go.
on there.
Okay, sorry about that. So now you're gonna go back to your equation. So you got the ln ln of 50 divided by 325. Oh my gosh. Alright. Divided by 325 times 15 times 15 equals that divided by the ln of 1 divided by 2, 1/2. And that is your answer. So you're gonna round it to round it to the nearest tenth of it doesn't really say. Just round it to the nearest tenth. So it's gonna be 40.5 minutes for the time it takes to get the amount of aspirin to drop below 50. Alright. Thank you. Little sweet out.